Welcome back to another App Tutor video, everyone. This video is going to show you the steps to turn off the activity indicator in the Snapchat app. But before we start with the video, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing because it would really help out the channel. I'm first going to access the Snapchat app settings page. So what I will do is to open my app, tap on my profile picture at the top left, and once on your Snapchat profile page, you're going to see this little gear icon, which is going to open the settings for us. So I'm here, and all I have to do is to scroll all the way down towards the bottom until you find the Privacy Controls section. And this is where the activity indicator option is going to be, so I'm just going to disable this switch or turn it off. Snapchat will no longer show your friends when you were last active on the app. In other words, they won't be able to see if you're currently online or when you were last using Snapchat. It basically hides your activity status. So if you prefer a little more privacy, this is the setting you'll want to keep disabled.